Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nerdist. I just came from school, and I'm in my room. So, I just got this cool slime from school, like so glittery. Like, I'm gonna show you. Wait, say, guys, over here. A little baby right there. Okay. So, first is this slime. I'm gonna try my nose. It's really new. So it's like putty. I think it says putty. Yeah, putty. Putty. Yeah, oh my god. So let's open it. It's really hard. So like it's like super hard to open. Wait, I just got a text message. Okay. Let's open it before my mom comes in there. So I'm going to have to use my teeth for this. Yeah. Okay. I got it. So this is a slime. With the guy. Yeah. Okay. You guys can see in the background. It's my brother. He's crying because he likes chips. So here's the slime, Mama. Dun 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 dun. Look at this. Look at it. It's like so cool, but like, I'm gonna try to make a sound. Let's see. Yeah, you hear it? And yeah, that's all I want to show you. So yeah. Ooh, I'm gonna show you. This one. I got like a bag right now. So I'm gonna put this in here. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna leave it here. I have my own container for. Yeah, I have my own container. So yeah, came with this right away. So yeah. Okay, I'm coming. So I'm going to have to see you guys later. I promise I'll make a video. I'll try to make a video tomorrow because I have school. I do have school, but I'll try my best to make a video. So